music out there.
Southern Alley came out a few years ago, and we've been out on the road with these big heavy hitters for the last 2 or 3 years, learning to play places that we've never played that are bigger, like stadiums. I mean, we did our first couple of stadium shows this past year, and I feel like now we're just getting to the point to where we're ready to start this second record that we worked on song-wise and sonically. We switched producers from Dave Cobb to Dan Huff, and we feel like we're just kind of elevating our sound as a band to give the best product and the best show that we can out there on the road.
1,000 Record Bridges will be out June 2nd. You guys know Dominion have a knack for putting out very creative and different music videos, and the one for their latest single, No Such Thing as a Broken Heart, certainly fits that description. The video's got like a retro 90s video game feel, and it follows the band members as they work their way through the game. You see the whole thing on our Facebook page, facebook.com/onthehighway. For Sirius XM Music News, I'm Buzz Brainerd. Sirius XM, The Highway.
Let me tell you how honest of a guy David Lee Roth is, because when Van Halen were busting their butts playing on the Strip, one owner in particular of one of those clubs at the end of